accent and have no expression. Nah. Hold on, the train line done? Hey everybody. Woo. Welcome back to another episode of Stuff from the Cuffs. Let me tell you, we are giving you a little extra F in fire because you know here at Stuff from the Cuffs, we give you fire. We give you fun, inspiration, we keep it real, and of course we give you educational material. Now today, Brian and I, we're going to be trying out Google Daydream, courtesy of my big brother. I tell you that, they like to play, the video games and all of that. So we're trying out Google Daydream and I am excited because I've never done this before. So we're going to take you through our experiences today. So it's an extra F for fun. All right. So we're going to take you along for the journey. So I'm going to go first and then Brian is going to go after. So let's get straight into it. I'm so excited. So this is it. So I have three things. I have the headset, I have the headphones, and I have a remote control that is attached to my hand so that I don't dash it away. So I think I'm going to do a roller coaster ride first and then whatever else after, but you'll see as I see. All right, so I'm gonna get started. I'm so excited. You don't like more to this? Wait. I won't want this, sir.
Those are different ones you can choose.
Ooh.
I'll give you the easiest one first.
Okay. Oh my goodness, babe. Oh my god, babe, you are going to love this or not. Alright, I'm ready. I'll take off my slippers. Okay.
Stop.
Hey. Boy.
Hold on, keep going beside it.
Oh, Father. Oh, wow. Boy. Boy. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Just Chris. So why all of them rocks here so loose? Oh my goodness. Ooh. Wait. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh my god. Wow, this is so beautiful. The scenery, oh my god. Oh, presents behind. Oh my god. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Mm. Oh my God. Ay! So pretty. Santana have no expression.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Hold on, is train line done?
No.
Wait. What, Amina? So what underwater? Oh, you done? My hat.
Hombre, espérame, my youth. Uy. Da. Hi, birdies.
Place is beautiful, babe. Just look around everywhere. Sky, down.
Alright, sit on up. Sky pretty though. Mighty God. Whoa. No, sir. Me want to turn over. Wait. No, sir. I don't first dip that. My God. Hold on. Hombre, if you don't lick me, you know. Oh. Oh, me I warm up, man. Oh, what it? Big God! Hey. Boy. Oh. Whoa. Yo. No, sir. Mama. Whoa. No go down. No go down there. No. Ooh.
No.
Whoa, it's here, Amu. Whoa. All right. Oh God, me can't even move. Oh God. All right. Man, I'm man. Hang on tight. Me a tip over. Me. Oi. Ulan. Hold on, I will side track there. I'm in a drop off still. Before that, I wake up. No, sir. No, sir. No. Oh, my fly. Oh, a Santa. Alright, I'm done.
No, you can't. No, babe. You have to do the other one.
I never meet you for Dicky.
But let's see me like that one here. Jer, if I accidentally press down on this, what is it doing? Recording?
No, it only.
Huh?
No. What is happening?
Oh, me just want to make sure.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. No, sir.
Oh, no.
You have to open the eye.
My bite off your lip. Relax your mouth.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. it's too much.
I want to touch me. Somebody touch me. If something can't feel so real to touch me.
Yeah, wake up the pig man.
Pick this strap out of the back there. Push the strap up to the top.
Jesus. How long this soon finish?
Yeah, it's close. It's very light.
Alright, hurry up and down, hurry up and down, hurry up and down. Hurry up and down. Alright, done. Done. Alright, done. Alright, you done.
Finish. If you're finished, you can
No, me done. No, me no want no more.
headphones first and goggles next.
Me said stuff. Me have full of water, I'm afraid.
Oh my God!
One eternity later.
Man, a gangster. Whew. Well, I'm sitting good today.
It's
Can me feel dizzy.
What is it?
Recenter.
The center, man. Jamaica, me come from, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen,
You what? Oh no, no, don't come near me, no, boss. Ramp with me, you know. Who this? Wait me done. So this so low. Oh my God, I went down in a hole. Me Step on, you know, wrong fit. Step on, you know, wrong. Touch me.
Really?
So you're lucky in yourself, hombre. Vroom vroom. Oh, no one knows so bad, babe. I watch Resident Evil, you know. I'm not going now, man. I throw a thing for my foot.
Maybe because you like gore movies. I don't watch gore.
Things are just dark, not scary.
Scary to me. Am I sweat? Would be scary.
My God, no, sir.
That's great.
You look like something. You look gore and sad and something.
Hold on, man. Whew. Santa won't did worse. Cause Santa won't just have the roller coaster. This have
Like,
all of we haunted house.
welcome back.
Guys, it's another world in there. I did it. Unlike some people. Wow. Guys, you have to spend time to have fun. Can't just be all about the ups and downs and the hustle and the bustle and the 9 to 5 and the 5 to 9. So tonight we had some unique fun brought to you by JR. I tell you this, it was quite an experience. Virtual reality is something else, and I had fun. We're going to try and make sure to show you some of the actual scenes so that you can experience it for yourself. So, thank you. If you liked this video, click like, subscribe, share, tell a friend. Stuff from the cuffs. Fun, fun, fun.